Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Asad Yaqub, and once again here I am with the review of Ielts exam. You know, Ielts test was recently conducted in the month of April. That was actually 13th of April. So I'm going to just give you the review. I received some messages from Pakistan, India, and there is another message from an Arab country. So I'm just going to tell you what's happened in the Ielts test. Let's take a start with a message from Pakistan, and this message is sent by Haider Ali. Haider Ali is from Gujranwala, Pakistan, and he says it's overview of 13th April Ielts academic test, Lahore. So this test was academic, but he didn't mention whether it was conducted by British Council or IDP. Well guys, he says, okay, he sent me about speaking. Part 1 was about hometown, right? Hometown is a very popular topic for Ielts people now, for Ielts examiners. Part 2, Q card was about describe about good news which you listened last time and all that. So describe a good news that you heard last time. You should say what the news was, who gave you the news and all that stuff. Then after that, in part 3, there was a role of news in society, why reporting technology with news and all that. After that, he told me about writing. In writing task 1, there were maps on 13th of April, and writing task 2, there was an essay, and that was a discussion essay. As I told you several times, nowadays in Ielts, opinion essays and discussion essays are most important. That's why you guys need to follow them. Well, after that, in listening section 1, there were some fill in the blanks with 2 words, and there were some MCQs. If you watch my prediction video, you will get to know I mentioned that in listening there's going to be like sentence completion, then we've got this MCQs and all that. Section 2, there was a map, and then again multiple choice, like choose 2 options out of 5. Okay, so this test was conducted here in Lahore, Pakistan, on 13th of April. And then he didn't mention about section 3, but section 4, there was a lecture about ocean and ice, and he says I don't remember much of that. Okay, no problem. Reading passage 1 was about Roman food. Now this was academic reading, so reading passage 1 was about Roman food, which contains sentence complete with 1 word and yes, no, not given. Okay. Passage 2 contained 3 type of questions. 3 type of questions, not 3 type. Multiple choice, true, false, not given, and matching heading. And passage 3 contained multiple choice with yes, no, not given, and fill in the blanks with 2 words. So he says overall test was easy, and this test was conducted by IDP, or we call it AEO, Australian Education Office, here in Lahore. And he says, okay, he's got a complaint as well. I'll not say that. Okay, he was not happy with the listening headphones, the headphones they provided, so he was not happy with that. Now let's go on. I've got another message, and there is no mention of the name, but the last 2 numbers are 9215. This message is sent. The country code is +965, and the last 2 digits of the number are 9215. Well, this guy says, hi sir, I am your big fan and big viewer of Ielts teaching. Today I attended my exam in Kuwait. Okay, now this test was conducted in Kuwait. It was easy. The reading was lengthy. Writing task 1 was like a diagram. So in Kuwait it was different. So structure of a TV center 10 years ago and a current structure with additional features. So writing task 1, there was a process diagram. It was about a television center 10 years ago and television center now. I mean how they broadcast all the programs and all that. So it was all about television center. Task 2, it is parents and teachers should closely, who should closely observe children's activities. Others have opinion that children should should be given more freedom, and I think this sounds like a discussion essay. Then they would be discuss both views and give your opinion. Remember one thing, in discussion essay there are 2 sides which you have to discuss, and then you have to give your opinion at the end. After that, in listening, he said first part was easy, second was a map, little fast, got confused, third MCQs, and fourth complete sentences was very good. Overall, it was easy test, and this was UKVI. Yeah, he said UKVI was also the same questions they had, and that was the same test. All right, now let's go on. The last message, that is the message I received from India, and this is from Raminder Kumar, and he is from Jalandhar, Punjab, and he's saying Sat Sri Akal, thank you very much. He said your prediction was true, huh? Okay, all right. For 13th April exam, listening was easy. In section 1 sentence completion, section 2 map, 11 to 16 match the information, 7 to 20 section 3 match the info, 21 to 26 MCQs, 27 to 30 section MCQ. Okay, so match the info 21 to 26, MCQ 27 to 30, and section 4 there was a table completion question, and reading section 1 was easy, 1 to 6 table fill up, 7 to 13 true false not given. Okay, and then section 2, 14 to 18 matching, 19 to 21 MCQ, 22 to 26 summary, and section 3 about MCQ, and then a summary 35 to 40 with word bank. Okay, writing task 1 table, and task 2 many students are going abroad for higher studies, advantages and disadvantages. Now he did not mention whether this test was conducted by British Council or by IDP. So guys, actually this is the review of 13th April IELTS test. Now those who are planning to take their IELTS test on 25th April, that is only academic, and then we have 27th April, that is academic and general training. As I told you before, whenever you take your IELTS test, try to take the test when it's the global date, number 1. Number 2, try to take the test when it is academic and general training together. I mean, you should take it when there are academic and general training students, they sit together. So that is a bigger test. So chances are, comparatively, it's going to be easier. Otherwise, we can't say anything. I mean, even academic can be easier. Academic can be little more difficult. But when it is conducted together, chances are listening is not going to be that difficult, but again, these are just the chances. Well, I've just come for my morning walk to this beautiful park. It's very close to my house, and it's all beautiful all around. And last night it rained a lot, and the type of weather you anticipate after the night rain, I'm enjoying that type of weather here. If you like this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I also teach IELTS online. If you want to join my online IELTS classes, you can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub wishes you all the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.